In WSET Level 4 exam, one of the factors we always mention is rainfall. Meanwhile, we cannot make any conclusion just with this value. You should consider other factors of grape growing environment. We can understand like the following formula. Rainfall plus other factors equal vines needs. Generally speaking, the vines need 500 mm rainfall per year in cool regions and 750 mm of rainfall per year in warm regions. When our considerations become more comprehensive, our analytical conclusion in the exam will be more logical and persuasive, and the examiner will perceive our understanding as in-depth and convincing. Let's see some examples. The first example, Rainfall+Climate. Hunter Valley is close to the coast. It is a tropical climate region. It is the most hottest and humid wine region of Australia. Hunter Valley received 500 millimeters of rainfall per year, as it has a high humidity. There's no irrigation needed here. Second example, Rainfall+Timing. This is a very good example is Bordeaux. Bordeaux received 950 mm of rainfall per year. Rainfall time varied from flowering period, growing season, before harvest, on harvest. Here be careful. All above make different influence on canopy management. Another good example is Magaret River of Australia. It can receive more than 1,000 mm of rainfall per year, but the most of them is in winter. The growing season is relatively dry. It can just receive 275 mm of rainfall per year, which means the irrigation here is necessary. Third example, Rainfall+Grape variety. Rias Baixas is one of the most humid regions of Spain. It can receive 1,700 mm of rainfall per year, but it is not necessarily means a negative influence in the vineyard. The growers choose the grape which is suitable in damp climate. In this case, Aragonio is perfect. Be planted here. Castilla Mancha of Spain, which received between 300 and 400 mm of rainfall per year. Drought-tolerant grape, Grenache, here named Garnacha, is perfect here. The fourth example, Hawke's Bay of New Zealand received 1,000 mm of rainfall per year. However, the extremely free-drying nature of gravel soil in inlet gravels area means the irrigation is often required. By comparison, Jerez of Spain, which received 650 mm of rainfall per year, with virtually no rainfall in summer months. As the soil type is arbalisa, a kind of clay soil, which have a very good water retention and releases waters slowly into the vine. Meanwhile, this kind of soil can form a crust when dry, which reduces evaporation. Altogether means the irrigation here is not necessary. All cases above tell us the key lies in matching rather than absolute rainfall values.